my son is, Zach is 14, and his mouth was overcrowded. Just teeth were sticking upward in the gums, just jutting out all over the place. And I mean, his two front teeth were going opposite directions. It was just what I thought was a really big mess. So to come here and learn that fast braces would be something that he could partake in, it was just, I was like, are you sure? Did you see his mouth? Did you got to look at him, right? Because his mouth was definitely, I thought, would be more challenging than the way Dr. Boscia had described. So we were pleasantly surprised. Okay, so the big thing was of not having to have the permanent teeth removed, not having to go under to an oral surgeon and have the general anesthesia, because of course we wouldn't want him to feel anything. And so that's the route we had gone with our daughter, and we weren't really pleased with how that situation went. So with finding out that he could just have his baby teeth removed and it was done in the office. So again, not under general anesthesia, not having to go in for a procedure, and have it done right here in the office was such a blessing, and just, it was huge. It was so convenient, and Zach was much happier. He was like, Mom, that was a piece of cake. I'm so glad I didn't have to go through what Rachel had to undergo with needles and, being put under. Well, I can tell you right off the bat, within about 3 weeks, when we came back for either our 3-week or our 6-week checkup, his teeth had already significantly moved. So that in and of itself, whereas before with our daughter, we didn't notice a huge difference right off the bat, with him, we were looking at the before and after pictures going, oh my gosh, I can't believe this is what it's done for you already. So it made a huge difference in a short amount of time, and right now, with the point that he's at, his teeth look fantastic. The hardest part has been getting him to brush thoroughly to get to keep them as clean as possible, but it's night and day difference. His teeth look amazing. I just can't believe that it's taken this short amount of time to get him, in 6 months, what it took 2 years to get our daughter.